Some breaking news updates coming in, viewers. Now, the Delhi High Court has reserved its order on Telegram's plea challenging its ban. Centre has gone all guns blazing against Telegram. Delhi High Court is concluded the hearing for now. AG Venkataramani defended Centre's order, said that blocking decision is self-contained and legally justified. AG has argued that Telegram's architecture poses unique risks, calling it a Frankenstein platform and questioning how the state can prevent harm without preventing action like banning this app. Sambhav, very important observation of the court there. Telegram poses unique risk and there is no other way that Centre could prevent such activities other than banning the app. Give us more details from that observation.
Well, absolutely. Here, after around 1.5 hours of hearing in the Delhi High Court and submissions made by the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta inside the courtroom, the Delhi High Court has finally reserved its order on the Telegram's petition challenging the temporary ban of the Centre. But what the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said is very important, and he is pointed out how Telegram is seen as a preferred platform for terrorist activities, and he's tried to show the structural challenges with this particular platform Telegram and why only Telegram there is a temporary ban on Telegram, not on other social media intermediaries. So Solicitor General Tushar Mehta made submissions in detail and told the court that Telegram's architecture is fundamentally different from other intermediaries and claimed that Telegram users can create up to 40 bots, enabling rapid multiplication of the channel and making monitoring very difficult. So in a way, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was appearing for central government in the Delhi High Court, has said why this ban and try to uphold the reasonings as to why the Centre has temporarily banned Telegram in this particular case. However, on the other hand, the observations, the questions raised by the Delhi High Court are equally important. The Delhi High Court questioned whether the rights of 150 million users can be restricted to protect the interest of the section of students appearing for the examination. That's a very crucial question posed by the Delhi High Court before the Centre, when the Centre made these arguments. And also, the Delhi High Court has said that the core issue lies with Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, and this particular section could be used, whether it can be used to block the entire platform or not. So these are the questions that Delhi High Court will think about it. The bench of Justice Tejas Karia will think about it and will pass a further order. However, as of now, after detailed hearing in the Delhi High Court, where Telegram on the other hand has said that yes, certain URLs were taken down as per the direction of the Centre, and Telegram is ready to work with the Centre on certain directions. Why this ban? And also quoted Article 14 of Indian Constitution, saying that it is violation of the Article 14 of Indian Constitution is what Telegram's contention was in the Delhi High Court. After hearing all these arguments and making certain remarks, the Delhi High Court has finally reserved its order on the Telegram's petition challenging the temporary ban by the Centre ahead of the crucial NEET re-examination, which is to be held on 21st of June.
Right, Sambhav, stay on with me. In fact, your Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has also told the court that no action was taken against other intermediaries because they have effective filtering and compliance mechanisms in place. Again, very important statement there given by the Solicitor General. He's saying, unlike other platforms, Telegram, of course, has a different architecture, a feature that allows bots to be multiplied. Up to 40 can be created at once, while other apps allow only once. Other apps like WhatsApp, which is why action has been initiated particularly against Telegram and not other platforms which allow for effective monitoring. Sambhava, when can we expect a verdict on the matter?
Well, absolutely. These were the arguments, these were the, in a way, final arguments made by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was appearing for central government, upholding this temporary ban on the platform Telegram. Here, Solicitor General has argued before the court, rather told the court that no action was taken against other intermediary because they have effective filtering and compliance mechanism in place. However, there is a problem, structural problem, architectural problem with this particular platform Telegram, and he shared certain details as to how bots could be, a single user can create up to 40 bots, and the date could be changed. Supposedly, if I am writing something on Telegram today, I can change the date. I can take a previous date as well. There is an option to edit the date as well of the message. So there are certain challenges with this particular platform, is what Solicitor General tried to explain to the Delhi High Court. However, before reserving the judgment on this particular petition of Telegram, High Court has asked that the key, said that the key issue was whether deficiency in the Telegram's architecture is justified. Invocation of this powerful emergency powers by center under the law. So this is what the Delhi High Court will decide, will come up in its judgment, a crucial judgment. It is going to be a crucial judgment. It is to be seen what the Delhi High Court says on Telegram's petition. However, Center tried to convince Delhi High Court through its arguments as to why this temporary ban on Telegram, and how Telegram is different from other social media intermediaries.
Right, Sambhava. And finally, viewers, Delhi High Court has also made a key observation, saying that the key issue in this matter was whether deficiencies in Telegram's architecture justify the invocation of emergency powers by the center under the law. Sambhava, do expand that for us.
Well, absolutely. Here, this was the final, what the Delhi High Court said before reserving the judgment in this crucial case. The Delhi High Court has said that the key issue was whether the deficiency in this Telegram platform, Telegram's architecture, justified the invocation of the emergency powers by the center under two sections, Section 69A of the Information Technology Act and Section 79 of the Information Technology Act. These powers by center were invoked. So the key issue is whether the deficiency in Telegram justifies this invocation of the emergency power, is what the Delhi High Court will think about and will come up with a judgment on the Telegram petition.
Right, Sambhava, thank you very much for joining us on this. And now, viewers, moving ahead. On to the say now.